Audio Jungle.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do makeup in alphabetic order, like first is blush and then concealing and everything. So let's start with the blush. And for blush I am taking first this NYX Sweet Cheek palette. But what I think is I should intensify the blush, so I am taking this lipstick in the shade Pink Shot from Maybelline and first applying it on my cheeks, and afterwards to intensify it I used that NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and applied it over this. And after this, next is concealing and contouring. So first of all I am doing the contouring, and you guys, this is pretty weird that on my bare face I am contouring and with the blushes on. It looks really funny. I feel like a clown. For the concealing, I use this duo with Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. At this point, I really feel like clown making is in process. Now next is eyeshadow and eyebrows, so let's see what I can do. And I'm taking this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I love this palette so much, you guys. And for the lid shade I am taking this dark blue color. I somehow wanted to do some kind of smoky eyes, so let's see how it turn out. So this is how I look right now, pretty, yeah. And for the eyebrow I took this Faces one in the shade 10 and drawing my eyebrows with this. Okay, done. But still pretty weird. I mean, look at my cheeks. And now finally foundation. I took this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 140 Golden Beige and applying it on my face, but not where I applied the concealers, because that would exaggerate all the foundation and everything, and just blending it all over my face, and I finally will look like a human, hopefully. Here you can still see the blush through the foundation, and this is the reason why I intensified the blush and applied 2 layers of blush, because otherwise it will look like a blank canvas after applying the foundation in the end. And yes, finally, after this step, I look like human. And now it's time for highlighter. I am in my whole life never ever terrified of applying highlighter, but this time I am, because I haven't applied any powder and my skin is really oily. You can already see, and on that I am applying the highlighter, so you can imagine how shiny I look. Now it's time for the lip liner and lipstick. For the lip liner, I took this random pink liner and then I'll apply the liquid lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Janvi. And because of the no powder application, my eyeshadows are really melting and they started to look patchy, but I cannot do anything. And now for the liner, I took this Nykaa gel liner and I'm not doing the whole liner, I'm just winging the liner. So that means I'm just doing a wing liner on the outer corner. And now for the mascara, I took this Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit Cosmetics and just applying a nice coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And with the mascara, there's another amp which is for makeup fixer. I took this Maybelline makeup fixing spray and applying it on my face. And after this, it's the time to apply the primer. I mean, after doing the whole makeup and without applying powder, I'm applying the primer on my face. But thankfully, it didn't melt my makeup. That's the main thing I was concerned about. And finally, for my favorite step, it's the powder time. So I took this MAC powder and applied on my face. You guys, you know, this was the most relieving step of my whole look. I loved doing this and I was totally relaxed after doing this because this actually set my makeup and I was looking like a human. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was terrified to do this because, you know, first blush and then contouring and highlighting and then primer, it is really horrifying. And if you guys do this kind of challenge, please let me know. And I'm sorry about the frizziness in my hair. When it comes to hair and humidity, I am Monica from Friends, so it is just the way it is. Accept it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. This means absolute world to me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.